Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get all letters for the Dead Man's Treasure quest in Fish It Roblox. So if you start trying to find those letters, the Dead Man's Treasure quest is one of the most rewarding missions, but those letters are hidden in some seriously tricky spots. And here I'm going to show you some of the Pirate Cove chest locations. So to find all the letters, you need to really explore the islands. You need to go up the hill and also up to the houses, and such as this one right here, it's hidden outside the island, so you can just open it and hopefully you got the letters. As you guys can see, I only got the doubloons, so it's not count in here. So it's really tricky because once you found the chest, it doesn't mean that you can get the letters, so you need to find it again across the island to find the right chest. So the inside, the content of the chest consists of doubloons, or maybe you got potions, or if you're lucky you can get the letters for the quest. So just explore the Pirate Cove and found the letters to get the rewards. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.